Make a great choice today with
the 2022 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.